This is the first picture. Look at it. When you know what it is, press the buzzer. Hello everybody, I'm Sally and I teach English. This is my English classroom. Welcome. Today we're going to play a word game. The words for this game will be YLE Starters words. I've made 2 teams from the students in my class. Before we start, why don't you play along with us? You might be better than my students. If you are, write and tell me in the comments. And one more thing. Here is a simple idea. As I say the words and you see the words on the screen, say them along with us. That will help you learn how to say the words correctly. Okay, let's play. I will show you a picture and I will show you 4 words. One of the words is the right answer. When you know the right answer, press the buzzer. It will make a sound. Then I will ask you for the answer. If your answer is right, you get a point. You also get a point if you tell me how to write the word correctly. If your answer is wrong, the other team gets the chance to answer. Okay? This is the first picture. Look at it. When you know what it is, press the buzzer.
Face.
That's right. 1 point for the red team. How do you write that?
F-A-C-E, face.
Very good. That's another point. The red team has 2 points. Now for picture 2.
Pencil.
That's right, very good. How do you write that?
P-E-N-C-I-L-S. Pencils.
That's right. 2 points for the green team. Now for picture 3.
Sofa.
Yes, that is right. And how do you write that?
S-O-F-A. Sofa.
That's right. 2 points for the red team. Now for picture 4.
Bat.
That's right, green team. How do you write that?
B-A-T, bat.
Very good, green team. 2 points for the green team. Now for the last picture. Fingers on buzzers. What is this?
Bees.
That's right. And how do you write that?
B-E-E-S, bees.
Very good, green team. 2 points. So at the end, it's 6 points for the green team and 4 points for the red team. The green team is the winner. Very well played, both teams. I'm going to give both captains a star because they played very well. This is my star board. When my students do something good, I give them a blue star. When they have 10 blue stars, they get a golden star. Why don't you ask Mum or Dad to make you a star board? Then if you do well, they can give you a star. If that happens, write and tell me in the comments. That was a great game. But next time, the words will be even trickier. Do you think you can beat our players? Get ready for a surprise challenge in the next video. See you soon! Also, if you want a PDF of today's script, send me a message in the comments. Well, that's all we have for today. Bye!